Duanwu, better known as the Dragon Boat Festival, is upon us, and you know what that means. A lot of rice dumplings. But how do you tell one dumpling from another? Don't worry, I got you. Gijang is very straightforward. It's yellow from the lye water and usually eaten with brown or white sugar. Some may come with a red bean paste. Nyonya Guijang contains a sweet savoury filling made with pork, mushrooms and candied winter melons. Some have a beautiful tinge of blue from butterfly pea flowers. Cantonese Chong contains meat, dried scallops, lotus seeds, mushrooms, lapchong and salted eggs. Fancier ones even include abalone. Hokkien Bak Chang are easy to identify from their darker colours that come from stir-frying the glutinous rice. They are stuffed with 5-spice pork belly, dried mushrooms, chestnuts and dried shrimp. Teochew Bak Chang has an interesting sweet savoury profile as they are stuffed with pork belly, chestnuts and sweet bean pastes. What's your favourite rice dumpling? Let us know in the comments. If you like more videos like this, check out here and here.